everyone! Want to know what $200,000 can buy you in Bali? Grab a coconut or a coffee if you are feeling less tropical, get comfy, and let me show you 5 of the most promising real estate opportunities, priced between $150,000 and $250,000. Stick around till the end because I've got something special for you, a new project that just hit the market. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. My name is Kristina and I'm the head of sales department at Leasehold. If you're curious about investment in Bali property, hit that like button and stay with me till the end. Alright, let's jump right into our first gem, an apartment complex that nails the balance between dream location and serious profit potential. Welcome to Sunny Moose. And by the way, this video is filmed right here at the Sunny Moose itself. Picture this, you're walking down one of the most upscale streets in Canggu, Bali's hottest spot for both tourists and expats. This place is also known in the world as a remote work hub, so it's buzzing with life. Sunny Moose sits just 300 meters from the ocean, minutes from Canggu's best beaches. The street is packed with cafes, restaurants, spas, co-working spaces, and gyms. Everything you could possibly want. And when you are ready for nightlife, the famous Batu Belong area, full of beach clubs and bars, is only 500 meters away. Your property here stays booked all year round. The property design and wellness infrastructure. Now, the location is already a dream, but wait until you see what's inside. Sunny Moose is a designer complex with a bold, eye-catching facade, the kind that makes people stop and stare. No surprise it hit 85% occupancy in the first months after the launch. Each of 62 units is a fully furnished apartment, complete with a sleeping area, lounge zone, compact kitchen, comfy workspace, bathroom, and of course, a balcony. Some even come with private patios and outdoor bathtubs, because why not have a soak while watching the sunset? Let's talk about amenities, and there are plenty. You've got a cozy swimming pool area tucked among tropical trees, super peaceful despite the active location. There is an on-site restaurant, bar, a co-working area, and a 24/7 reception, ready to help with anything. Up on the rooftop, things get even better, direct ocean views and an outdoor gym. No wonder many investors choose to stay there themselves instead of renting out. And honestly, can you blame them? Price. Okay, let's talk about numbers. Prices for one-bedroom apartments start at just $155,000, an amazing entry point into Bali's premium property market. And yes, you can even snag a unit with an oceanside view for that price. Now, here is where it gets exciting. You could earn up to $1,500 net return per month for this property. Not bad for a place that also doubles as your personal vacation spot. Now, let's clear up something every foreign investor asks. What exactly is a leasehold? In Indonesia, foreigners cannot technically own the land forever. But that's totally fine, because a leasehold is a smart and simple solution. Think of it as a long-term, prepaid rental where the property is 100% yours to use it, live it, rent it, and even sell. It has some pretty great perks. First of all, a lower entry cost. You invest less upfront compared to setting up a complex foreign company. Second, faster return. Smaller investment means your returns kick in faster. And long-term security. Leases at Sunny Holding are minimum 26 years with an option to extend. For Sunny Moose, we've pushed those conditions even further. 30 years plus an additional 30 years extension option. That's decades of control over your Bali dream home. Why is investment in an apartment better than a villa? Now I know what you're thinking. Why not just buy a villa? Great question. Here is the deal. For the same $155,000, a villa in Bali would likely be First of all, far from the ocean and main attractions. Secondly, missing key hotel-style perks like 24/7 staff, security, restaurants and gym. And most likely it will have a shorter leasehold and too expensive to maintain for just one or two renters. That's why apartment hotel concepts like Sunny Mews are a game changer. You get first top locations, Canggu, Birava, Ubud, where the action never stops. You get an on-site amenities like bars, restaurants, gyms, co-working spaces right at your doorstep. You get lower risks and easier start. Since Sunny Holding finances every project independently, your investment doesn't rely on new investors. And finally, cheaper maintenance and cheaper land renewal, as the costs are split among the units. In short, investing in one of Sunny Holding apartment complexes means prime location, world-class amenities and steady, high-end return income without the stress of managing a whole villa. Sounds like a pretty good deal, right? Alright, ready for the next one? If Sunny Mews got you excited, the next project turns the energy even more. Let's talk about Sunny Aparts 2. Right in the heart of Birava, one of the most intense, high-demand areas in Canggu. This is where the action is: massive beach clubs, constant fun, and top-tier restaurants on every corner. Fins and Atlas, two of the largest clubs in the world, are just 5 minutes away. Good news, the building is tucked inside the neighborhood, so you get the vibe but not the noise. Entrance to the Birava beach, the most popular beach in Canggu, is right there. And the airport is just about 40 minutes by car. Endless demand from tourists and expats means top occupancy rates for your unit. The property, design and wellness infrastructure. Studios here are modern and practical. Same premium feel as Sunny Mews, just a new setting. Fully furnished, smart layouts, everything you need from day one. Facilities? Big checklist. Swimming pool, gym, restaurant, 2 bars, saunas, steam room, and ice bath. Seriously gorgeous rooftop, lively by day, cozy by night, with lounge, bar and restaurant for sunset dining, and an outdoor cinema. And a unique bonus, professional recording and podcast studio. The opportunity price. Investment starts at $155K with options up to $180 for premium oceanside units. That's a lot of infrastructure for this price point. The leasehold is solid and straightforward, with an initial 30 years and a guaranteed option to extend for another 20. That gives you a 50-year runway for income and capital growth. For the $155,000, your net return will be up to $1,500 per month. In short, Sunny Aparts 2 blends a premium wellness resort vibe with high, stable returns. Sunny Cuddles. Okay, now for something with a unique spin, a boutique concept with a clear niche. Meet Sunny Cuddles. The opportunity price. This is where the price point reflects a big upgrade in unit size and niche targeting. You can secure a stylish loft apartment here for $190,000. Set in Birava, one of Bali's most famous active areas, you are 7 minutes from Birava Beach and right near hotspots like Atlas Beach Club. Think nightlife, top dining, and beach club energy right at your doorstep. The loft apartments are modern, bright, and comfy, fully furnished and ready to move in, with everything you need. It's all about fun and good vibes here. Guests can chill by the big pool, watch movies under the stars, and hang out at the pool bar or barbecue area. Perfect for the social Birava crowd. Leasehold terms. Initial lease of 27 years with an option to extend for another 10. That's a clean, long window to maximize returns. By focusing on high-spending adult guests, this concept locks in strong demand. Projected ROI is 10% per year, with an estimated annual income up to $19,000. Before we move on, there are just few apartments left in each of these compounds. If one of them feels right, don't hesitate. Use the link below to visit Sunny Holding website and leave your contact info. A top expert will reach out to you with all the details. Sunny 9. Alright, ready for another one? If you liked Sunny Moves and Sunny Aparts too, the next project will make you smile, especially if you ever dreamed about living just a few steps from Bali's best beaches. Let's talk about Sunny 9. We are right in the middle of the action between trendy Canggu and chic Seminyak. Sunny 9 is just 2 minutes from Batu Bilik beach, so the ocean's always within easy reach. You will find beach clubs, cafes, restaurants and gyms all around. And inside the resort, it's pure calm. Lush greenery keeps it private and peaceful. Basically, if you want to live, work and play in paradise lifestyle, this is where it happens. The property, design and special layout. Sunny 9 is a stylish townhouse complex designed with that modern tropical feel, light, open spaces and lots of greenery. The concept is premium comfort with privacy, and it's perfect for families or couples who plan to stay longer. Each unit comes fully furnished with 2 bedrooms, open-plan kitchen, living area and a private pool. High ceilings, warm colors and the quality materials make it feel both elegant and cozy. It's the kind of place that instantly makes you say, yes, I could live here. Prices for Sunny 9 start at around $220,000, which is fantastic value for 2-story townhouse this close to the beach. To put that in perspective, properties with a similar specs in Canggu often go for $350,000 and above. Ownership is based on a 30-year lease with an optional extension every 5 years. Plenty of time to enjoy life and earn income from it. ROI sits comfortably around 10% annually, giving you a net income up to $20,000 a year. Plus, you get a house you can actually live in, not just rent it out. Sunny 9 is a perfect fit for those who want something more private than an apartment, but still easier to manage than a standalone villa. You get your own little piece of luxury without a headache. Okay, time to switch things up. As promised, I saved the most unique and exciting project for the last. If the beach life isn't your scene and you are down to something greener, calmer and more soulful, this one is for you. Welcome to Sunny Family Ubud, a kids-first family resort in the heart of Bali's cultural center. It's a fresh, forward-thinking concept and the newest project from Sunny Holding, now open for pre-sale. Location: Ubud, the cultural and spiritual heart of Bali. Here, instead of beach clubs and scooters, you are surrounded by jungles, rice terraces, waterfalls and temples. It's peaceful, artistic and deeply connected to nature. The Sunny Family Resort is located just a few minutes from Ubud Center, which means you are close to restaurants, yoga studios and tourist attractions, but far enough to feel the calm of the jungle. Sunny Family Ubud is set on a big green area with 60% of the space turned into a beautiful nature park. There are only 30 units, so it feels private and cozy from the moment you arrive. Everything here is made for families to explore and have fun together. You'll find an interactive museum of Balinese culture, pottery and batik classes, eco-walks, yoga, cooking workshops, and even media hub for teens and open-air cinema. There is also a big pool with a kids area, a playground, a fire pit, and hammock areas, perfect for lazy afternoons and family time. It's a place where families connect with nature, learn new things, and make memories they will never forget. The profit potential and pre-sale advantage. Prices for a spacious 1-bedroom unit with a large terrace starts from $235,000. It's still a pre-sale and you are getting in early, which means the best price and great potential for value growth as the project develops. Sunny Family Ubud taps into one of Bali's fastest growing markets, family tourism, and has almost no competitors in Ubud. The expected ROI is around 12% per year, with an estimated rental income up to $31,000 annually. It's a smart and feel-good investment, a beautiful resort made for families with strong returns and a peaceful Ubud vibes. Leasehold terms. The building will be ready by mid-2027 with a 31-year lease included. Why us? Alright, so by now you've seen what $200,000 can buy you in Bali, and hopefully you've got your favorites picked out. Now let's talk about the important part: keeping your investment safe, profitable, and totally hassle-free. That's where Sunny Holding comes in. Because who wants paperwork when you could be at the beach? So why do investors choose us? First things first, you need trust, and we get that. We don't just talk about finishing projects, we show you the ones already done and running. All our sites are independently financed and 100% legal from day one. So your money doesn't build any property, it secures your assets. That's why many call us the most reliable developer in Bali. We care about quality, premium materials, top partners, and a hotel-level experience for every guest. Think teak wood furniture, grower fixtures, and Daikin systems, the best of the best. Plus, every resort runs like a 5-star hotel with 24/7 reception, security, and housekeeping, keeping guests happy and your returns high. Prime locations and full comfort. Our resorts sit in Bali's most wanted spots, from buzzing Canggu and Birawa to peaceful Ubud. When you buy, you also get access to everything: pools, gyms, saunas, restaurants, and even open-air cinemas. That's what keeps our places full all year around. Act fast! Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Bali's hottest market, with top quality, great service, and strong returns. Click the link in the description, leave your contact info, and we will reach out with all the details. It's your chance to own a beautiful Bali asset that earns money while you live your dream.